After the instrument has been completely dedented, chem cleaned, and all soldering bracing repairs done, it is then masked off to protect the areas where we do not want lacquer to get. We use different sized tubings to do this. Then these are put onto the drying rack where it will go into the lacquer booth. Always clean the spray gun before and after use. The adjustment on the back of the gun adjusts the amount of lacquer that flows through the spray gun. And the adjustment that is on the bottom of the gun adjusts the amount of air pressure that will go through the gun. And the adjuster on the side of the gun adjusts the spray pattern. Acetone is a good chemical to use generally to clean the gun. When filling the paint cup, always pour the lacquer through a paint straining funnel. This will remove any impurities and dust that might be in the paint. I wear a lab coat to protect my clothing. A filtering breathing mask. And I always carry an extra rag and a foam brush to take care of any drips that may occur. We use a 2-stage air compressor that goes through a water separator and then through a chemical separator. Now I'm going to test the gun and make final adjustments on the spray pattern. Depending on the size of the instrument, I may change the spray pattern to a wider or a thinner spray pattern. I like to hold the small pieces in my hand, that's why I wear the rubber gloves. This way I can turn it at different angles. The light catches imperfections in the spray pattern. I can also get all the angles and get lacquer into hard to reach spaces. I put the instrument onto a stand so that I can turn it to get the proper angle for a good spray pattern. There is an area where there was an imperfection, some dust or a hair that I removed with the foam brush. Then I spray over the area again to get a good flow out. The instrument is then put into the drying oven. You cannot heat up the instrument too much since the lacquer will start to separate at around 300 degrees, and this particular lacquer that we are using only needs to be heated to about 180 degrees. So it's really not that hot, but it does dry and cure the lacquer so that it makes a very, very durable finish. Afterwards, we completely clean the gun again, and you can see the finished product.